So in this video, we're gonna walk down this little park right here. Before we do, we're kind of on this main street right here, so we're gonna show you the context of all this stuff. But anyways, that's our goal right there. So stay tuned. Be right back. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's our goal, that one right there. Give it context, so we're kind of at this cool looking thing, and there's also another big street right there as well. And we're kind of over an overpass as well, so we'll show you that in a second. And we're gonna be heading down that way, underneath that little blue one right there. So that's gonna be our goal in a minute. So we're gonna show you this side too. And over there is kind of a waterway, so let's just kind of put that in context so you can see before we go the other way. But there's like this little what do you call that? It's like people can park their boats and stay there. So people can do that right in this space right here. And then the water, this kind of busy road goes over, but we're gonna go down into that little thing right over there. So let's go down, let's do it. Elevator right there. How big that apartment is, sheesh. A lot of big apartments around here. Okay, that's not just here, but in the whole city of Macau. So let's go down that way. Over here you got a McDonald's and a Korean restaurant right there. It's Gubne. It's like Korean barbecue chicken, roasted chicken. Huh. That's kind of cool. So this is what we're going to be doing, just this tiny little space right here. And there's the name of it, Rua Marginal de Lam Mau. So that's the one we're going to be going down in a minute. It's pretty cool. Before we go down, this is interesting because it's like a restaurant. Oh yeah, Hyundai. Hyundai. It's like a Korean. He's setting up all Korean food. Must be another entrance, and then they put all their stuff out here for some reason. Don't know why. Oh, it's like, actually it's interesting because all these ones, they're kind of like tapered off. So that one ends this property, and then there's another one, and there's a wall that kind of that stops the next one. Probably also get better context of this too. That's the overpass that we just walked just a minute ago. This is the one that we're going to be going down in a minute. Should I do the elevator there? And this is kind of interesting too, right? There's the water as well. Okay, let's just go down. That's where we're going to come out to. It's pretty, and that's where it just came from. You see the waterway? Not quite. So let's head on down. Ground floor. Let's head on up. So before we go down, let's just go to the main street right there. I can see the context of everything. This is our tiny little street that we're going to go down. Okay, so let's go check it out. Nice wide sidewalks in this area. So this one's called Rua Marginal de Lam Mau. So we're gonna head on down this one. pretty short little street. We got some music down here too. It's kind of cool to see. Looks like it comes out to this whole other area. So we have this area right here, and that's kind of cool. And then Rua Marginal do Lam Mau, I think it's the same name. So this actually comes out in this whole little area like this. So actually there's like a little park in here, so kids can do skating right there. And they're also doing more exercises down there. So this comes out to this whole little play area right here. Let's see if she can do it okay. So let's kind of walk down a little bit. So you got skating. And you have more dancing as well. Huh, this street turned out to be a lot more than I thought. So we could definitely go all the way down that way. Looks like it goes all the way down to there. Here's a kitchen, Cake's Kitchen. It's kind of looks like it keeps going down this way too. It's a nice Japanese ramen shop. Kind of curious what that name of that sign says. So this is our space right in here. So we basically just did that little thing right there. I think it's all the same. Let's go down Tokyo Ramen Shimbashi. It's delicious. Huh, I think I go to another ramen shop. Yeah, I do. I go to another shop. Has the same name. It's really expensive but delicious ramen. It's about 80 mop or something like that. And we do this actually. I think it says Travessa now, so I don't know what the other one was called. So I don't know if it's the same one or not. Lam Mau is the same though. Now we kind of come out over to here. So yeah, I don't know what to think. So that's kind of our main road again right there. But what's interesting about this is there's a dead end right there. It stops. Yoho City Center. This is kind of sweet. So okay, kind of interesting. It's kind of unusual space. So we're gonna end it in a minute. I just want to come back to this little space where that was kind of the focus of this one. But now you can kind of see, man, it's just kind of cool stuff in here. There's, I think that Tokyo shop really makes it interesting. As is that little kitchen right there. Maybe we'll just walk down. It does say Hua. I think it says, I think that's a Travessa, and this says Hua, I believe. So maybe we will just go down a little bit and see what's at the end. Although it makes the video a little bit long, but I think it won't take long. There's some people in a park down there too. Look at Kada's kitchen again. So we're gonna come out to the end in a minute. It's pretty cool. Badminton. Then we got another park down at the end too, so. Come out to the end. So that looks kind of cool. So it's kind of a main street all the way down that way, and then this little alley, this is what we basically walked. So we actually walked all the way down this way. Very cool. And I kind of want to see what this next thing is, because it looks like it's also part of it too, which is this thing where people are walking. Oh yeah. So there's Travessa, and then this one says Rua Marginal do Lam Mau. Then you can see this is a totally different street right here. Tiny little alley. Lots of people kind of coming through. So yeah, that was ours. And this one too. Alright, end it like right there. Pretty cool little thing. Kind of interesting, it's kind of capturing everything.
Chiquinha,